guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I want to do a different kind of DIY for you guys. It's going to be a Dollar Tree DIY, but it's going to be a DIY that's going to help you with your kids when you're traveling. As we all know, the kids can get bored, especially like when we're in those long car rides, those long airplane rides, and we want to keep them busy. And a lot of times we'll give them our phone, or we'll have like these little VCR or DVD players to keep movies going, but even then they can get tired of that stuff. And a lot of kids nowadays that want to keep moving all the time, who have sat down for a long time, they want to do different things and they get tired of actually looking at videos and games. So I created a Dollar Tree DIY travel toy for you guys with the Lego brand, with the Dollar Tree brand of Legos that they had at Dollar Tree. So when I went to Dollar Tree, I saw that they had these base plates. Now this was the first thing that caught my eye, was these base plates, because my girls love Legos and I've always wanted to make them like a table with the base plate so that they can create their creations on it and then be able to move it. Because a lot of times when they put their stuff together and they try to show us, they break apart. So I've always wanted to buy the bases. But if you've ever been to Toys R Us or even Walmart or even online, these bases are so expensive. And I shared with you guys in a recent Dollar Tree haul these that I purchased, and then I was going to show you guys a DIY. So this is the basic base for this DIY. I'm going to be using the gray ones, but they have them in all different colors, and I just wanted to show you that I bought the gray and the blue, and so this is going to be the main thing for the DIYs. Now also with them, I found a whole bunch of what they call top blocks, and it's not, you know, Legos is the brand, so I don't want to say Legos, but these are Lego type things, but they're called top blocks. So they have them in a bag like this for $1 at Dollar Tree, and I got the yellow one, the blue one, they had a white one, I got all the colors that they had. Black, and then they had red. So in the DIY that I'm about to share with you guys, you're going to see how I took those Legos and the bases and created a little travel toy for your kiddos. But also, not only did they have the My Blocks and the bases at Dollar Tree, they also had these little cars, these Lego cars and airplanes to go with it. So I purchased one of each as well. So the one I purchased was the ATVs. It's a fire ATV. It's a little truck. And then I also purchased the helicopter one, which was really cool too. And the race car one. And the tank. All these were for $1 and they were so easy to put together. And then last but not least, the City Patrol one, which kind of looks like a Batmobile car to me. But I have shared with you guys these in a recent DIY up close, a recent Dollar Tree haul up close, how they look. But in this DIY, I'm going to show you how I made this travel toy, but also how easy these were to put together, and how these also fit within the travel toy. So not only could the kids have the My Blocks to build something, but they could also travel with the little cars as well. So for this DIY project, you're going to need 2 of the base plates. You will also need a plastic craft organizer box. Now this I did not get at Dollar Tree, but I got it at Walmart and it was only $1.97. And I feel like the base plates will fit better on this one as opposed to the craft organizer that they have at Dollar Tree. Now for this project, I used the adhesive glue that you can get at Dollar Tree, and I feel it works just as well as E6000 glue, but way cheaper on the price. One thing I did before I glued down the base plates was I connected both of them with a few top blocks, because if you glue these down separately, they probably will not align properly, and then when your kids go to play with them, they won't stick properly. So by doing this, by connecting both base plates with a couple of top blocks, you're connecting it to make sure that they're perfectly aligned, so when you glue it down, it doesn't give your kiddos issues when they're building their creations later. I put some of my candles on top of the bases to add a little weight to it while the glue dries. For the empty space that was left on top, I decided that I was going to make a little road for the My Blox cars because I thought it would be really cute and really fun for the kids to have a little road to go with whatever they build on top of the base plates. So what I did was I just took some construction paper and I measured it out to the size that I needed it, cut it out, and I added some dash lines with just a whiteout pen that you can get at Dollar Tree as well. After that, I laminated it and cut it out and glued it down. I think it's best to laminate it because we know that the kids can get things dirty, and making things laminated just makes it last longer. When I saw these My Blox people and cars and helicopters for just $1 at Dollar Tree, I was so excited. And they were so easy to put together, guys. They come with instructions inside the box that are so easy to follow. And as you can see, it didn't take me no time at all to put this little car set together. So as you can see, this DIY was so simple and cheap to make because it was all things from Dollar Tree. And let me tell you guys, I have purchased Legos for my kiddos before, and this is such a money saver. And I actually like these My Blox better than Legos. They actually stick together and hold together better than Legos. My daughter had these, I think they were like, I forgot, they were like the little the Shopkins. She had the Shopkins Legos. They were this size, and they always, after she put her creation together and she would show me, they constantly fell apart every time she tried to move them. These My Blox, once you put a creation together, they stay together. The only one that I had an issue with that kind of broke apart easily was the helicopter one. Whenever you put the little bottom parts of this helicopter, the little landing, I guess, legs, they tend to fall off easily. So that's one thing I will say. These were the only ones that I had trouble with. But the other cars, they stayed together as soon as you put them together. They were simple to put together and they stayed together. But I just love this little travel toy. It's so easy. The kids can put in their luggage. And then I laminated the instructions for the cars. I took all the instructions that came out of the boxes and I laminated them because in case they do fall apart, like the helicopter one tends to fall apart easily, in case these cars, the helicopters, fall apart, my kids have these instructions laminated so they can be able to put the cars back together. So I would suggest you do that. You can laminate it with your laminator, or you can buy contact paper, which is also at Dollar Tree, and put the contact paper on the top, the clear contact paper on the top and the back, and then you just cut off the excess, and then you've made your own lamination. But they fit easily in this little container, and I love the fact that the cars fit inside them as well. And so this is just, and you can add anything right here if you want to add any like ideas for the kids to build here. You can also put them in here, but this just snaps easy, and it's just great to travel with. I love it, and my daughters enjoyed it. We went on a trip to San Antonio, and I gave them each their own one, and they had so much fun creating their own creations in the car.
A garage? You making something, Ari, with your Legos?
Yeah.
Do you like it? I want to see your creations when you're done.
Okay, I got it.
That's cool. Oh, I like that.
Next one.
I'm just watching you build. Just watching you build.
So, and most of it fits perfectly. So
what
we
is
have
that?
A table with this coffee right here, and a little chair for him to sit on. It's like a 4-piece. You can put a chair on here, and his bed is right here with the lamp that also is for the living room, which is this is his couch, and for his bedroom.
Oh. And what do you have in your hand?
I have his car.
You have the race car? Let me see. You took him out of his race car?
Yeah.
Also, because he went into the house? Let me see. Put him back over there. I can't see it. No, put him back on the street. I can't see him. Move your hand. I can't see. There. Man down. Man down. Let me see yours, Bree.
I'm still building.
Okay. We'll see yours in a minute. Man down. Man down. This one is the race car one. I can't see with your fingers in the way. You gotta move your fingers so I can focus on him. Stop, stop, stop. I gotta focus. Okay. Cool. Like your little creation.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope I gave you an idea on how to keep your kids busy when you travel. A lot of us are doing a lot of traveling during the summer, and we have to think about the holiday seasons coming up, and we do a lot of traveling then. And it tends to be during the holiday seasons that we have a lot of layovers because so many people are traveling, and that's when your kids get kind of antsy because they don't like to wait around at all. So this is a great DIY for your kiddos. I mean, you don't, even when the battery goes dead on your phone, or let's say the little DVD you bring, something breaks, this will always be a great go-to for your kids to have fun and keep them busy so that they don't get upset and throw tantrums and then ruin your whole trip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget in the comments area, let me know what kind of travel games or things have you guys created with Dollar Tree items, or not even Dollar Tree items, things that you have created for your kids to keep them busy on car rides, on airplane rides. And if there is a certain toy or a certain kind of game idea that you guys want to see, that you want me to like create from Dollar Tree items, let me know down below. Give me ideas. If there's a certain thing that your kid likes, just let me know what they like, and I will come up with some type of DIY or travel toy idea for them to help you guys out. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out. And check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.